We are making 3-ingredient cake. Well, four ingredient, but you can do with just the 3. I like to add chocolate chips. So,
okay, yeah, chocolate chip doesn't count. That's like salt.
Yeah,
salt, pepper, chocolate
like
chips.
air when you add it. Anyway, 3-ingredient cake.
I didn't know you could make cake with only 3 ingredients.
Yeah, you can. You will need protein powder. Oh, this is kind of like a healthy version of the cake too. 2 bananas and some yogurt. The lady uses regular yogurt.
Yeah, we got
vanilla, but we got
vegan yogurt.
Oat milk because I am allergic to
Marty is allergic to everything.
milk. So anyway, not everything. I'm not allergic to Oatly plain yogurt. Anyway, we can start by just adding all these ingredients. So I think if we just like mash banana in there.
So it's 2 bananas?
2 bananas, 2 ripe bananas.
Amazing. That smells really good.
Vanilla protein powder.
Wow.
You have to add 2/3 of a cup. I'm not even looking at cups.
That is so much protein. This is a really healthy cake.
2/3 of a cup of vanilla protein powder mashed into this. That's pretty good, right?
Okay.
Let's just put it in there.
I'll get it. Fold it in.
Why is it all stuck at the bottom?
I'm inhaling that.
It's good. Protein right to the brain. And then 1/2 cup of yogurt. The way I use, like the way I've seen people make it before. Whoa, look at this yogurt. This is not what I expected.
Wow.
That's crazy.
This is vegan and gluten-free. Okay. Scoop dish here. Oh, sorry. Sorry about that one. I messed up a little bit. Something tells me these aren't gonna rise very much.
Probably not.
So I'm gonna fill it up higher than you would fill up an actual cupcake.
Come and get your slobber. This is like in like middle
Prison
school.
food.
Yeah, in middle school when they're like, oh.
So many burnt edges.
I like the batter. Someone's gonna have to stop me from licking this fork.
We're gonna pop these in the oven at 325 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. Ooh.
Check out what the oven brought today.
That smells really good. I'm gonna use whipped cream as my topping.
I am using honey as mine. Okay, not bad. Not bad. Kind of a little gooey, but that's not on the gooier side, but that's okay.
Whipped cream.
Wait, do it on your half. I don't want it on the whole thing. I want honey. Maybe I'll do a little bit. Cheers.
Cheers. Mmm. Mmm.
I like it with the honey. I like the chocolate chips in here. Mmm.
Well, thank you guys.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and see us next time on
The Rendo and Marty Show.